Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make medium knotless box braids. First, let's prepare. You'll need your preferred braiding hair, a rat tail comb for precise parting, hair clips, and some edge control. Before you begin, make sure your natural hair is thoroughly clean, completely detangled and stretched. This preparation is crucial for a smooth braiding process and a neat finish. Start by dividing your hair into 4 large, manageable sections. Now, let's focus on precise sectioning, which is key for beautiful medium knotless braids. Using your rat tail comb, create clean, consistent parts. You can choose between square or triangular sections, aiming for about 1 inch by 1 inch for each braid. This size ensures your braids are truly medium. Before you start braiding, apply a small amount of edge control to each section. This helps to smooth down flyaways and provides a clean, defined base for your braid. Here's the core of the knotless technique. Start by braiding your natural hair for approximately 1 inch. This creates a strong, knot-free foundation. Then, begin to gradually feed in small, thin pieces of braiding hair, one at a time, as you continue to braid. This gradual addition is what makes the braids truly knotless and reduces tension on your scalp. Maintain even tension throughout the entire braiding process to ensure a uniform look and prevent any pulling or discomfort. Once all your braids are complete, it's time for the finishing touches and proper aftercare. You can seal the ends of your braids by dipping them in hot water or carefully using a lighter for a neat, sealed finish. Next, apply a light hair oil or mousse to your scalp and braids. This provides essential moisture and adds a beautiful shine. Finally, always protect your braids at night with a silk scarf or bonnet to help them last longer and stay fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.